Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We have a special video for you today because, well, for one, I'm in the S63, so any day in the S63 is a special day. Look who's next to me. Look at that, with his Starbucks.
On Harley Davidson.
And Harley Davidson.
Yeah, I'm sporting the new gear, man.
Yeah? How's the bike?
It's great.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a biker now.
Yeah, why are you in my car?
Oh, I don't have a ride.
How many cars do you have?
1, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 cars.
And they're nice ones.
No.
Some of them are nice.
3 of them are nice. BMW
Right.
i3, 2020 Jeep Wrangler, and a 2019 Ram 2500.
Yeah.
Both of those cars are, I'm just going to say they're not home right now. I don't want to come out and say what's going on, but they're not home right now. The i3 is in service that caught on fire. And
Wait, let's go over here.
the motorcycle I'm not going to drive everywhere, and 2 of them are in paint. The Nissan Hardbody and the Ford Tempo are in paint.
Okay.
So I have no ride.
That's
So,
why you're in my car. That
drove-
used to be your car.
This used to be my
Do you
car.
miss this car?
No.
You don't?
No.
Why?
I don't want to speak it into existence, but I will. I feel like
Oh, here we go.
It's-
Wait. Hail Mary, full of grace, Dominus Tobisco.
is this
okay.
real wood?
Is anything in a Mercedes real anymore?
I don't know. We'll knock on it anyway. I've always had an overwhelming feeling that this car is destined to. That's why I sold it to you.
He tells me that now.
Yeah.
And you know what I realized?
I sold it cheap.
Well, yeah, that's one thing. Thank you very much. But when you delivered it with TK, I figured you guys would just drive it up.
No.
Drive it to the house. You didn't want to risk driving the car thinking that it would break down halfway there, right?
No. Yes, but no. That's actually not the reason.
Okay.
The reason was I didn't want somebody to hit me, get in an accident, and leave me stuck with a car that when you're guaranteed cash for something, when you've got money right there, not worth the risk. Not worth the risk. I put it on a trailer where it should be nice and safe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, and it hasn't blown up on you.
No, and we just passed 180,000 miles. 180,000 miles.
You need to sell it, man.
I love it though. Let's go back.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You got the new buttons too.
I got these new buttons from my
Yeah.
friend in Sweden, and my new vent, and he sent me some new tail lights that we're going to show everybody. I got to figure out how to make them work. Wait, what am I doing here? Okay. Go back. There. Okay, we got 17 miles to the gallon on the trip from Tulsa to here.
Good God.
And I have 180,000.
17 miles a gallon.
463. It's even worse in the town because Mike is learning. He has a heavy foot.
How much does this cost per mile to drive? Have you tried to figure that out?
I don't know. It cost me $54 to fill it up, and it wasn't empty. But miles,
Okay.
Some things I just don't want to know.
No,
So I'm doing my taxes. Okay,
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
adding up
yeah.
how much I spend in parts.
Yeah.
I don't like doing that.
Well, me neither. Hey,
Yeah.
remember you got an extra month for taxes this year.
I know, but
And I think you can even use last year's income, right? Or no?
oh, I don't know about that. But I literally 21,000 in car parts. You're way over that, right?
Oh, way over that. Way over that. Dude, when I get my credit card statement every month from American Airlines or whatever it is, and it's like $5,000 just on that card for parts.
Oh my gosh.
I've got the Apple card that I use,
my
the Discover card, so yeah.
Okay.
Great write-offs though.
Well, yeah, but I'm not a big YouTuber yet, so it's a good chunk of change for me.
You better be counting the miles. Mileage. He gets you some cars on Toro.
Well, put my cars on Turo?
No, your cars aren't eligible for Toro. Salvage title cars are not eligible. You gotta go actually buy.
POSs aren't eligible on Turo, right?
No, salvage title cars are not eligible on Toro. You gotta go get you some Hyundai Accents and Kia Fortes and stay away from all the Fords with CVTs. You could get some good mileage deductions.
He's making fun of my cars.
No.
I love my cars, all of them.
But
all of them that are broken.
What you should do, since you love Beamers, is you should sell this to the guy that fixed your windshield.
Okay.
Sell it and go buy an i3. telling you, 4 cents a mile. 4 cents a mile.
I wish we could tell everybody what your i3 is doing right now, but we can't because it's a surprise for your channel.
No, the i3 is not a surprise. It may have burnt down. It might have. I got a call for I called the dealership for half an hour this morning and they wouldn't answer. And then I got pissed. And I got a hold of somebody else at the dealership and I said, let me tell you how this is going to go down. Somebody's going to tell me where my car is. My car went in for a simple service. A very simple service. It was free. Free. And it's been 3 or 4 days and I got a hold of them and said, I don't have a car. Somebody needs to give me my car back. And they said, after calling her, like they didn't realize they had a fire. The lady... 10 minutes later, the lady's like, yeah, so the reason nobody's answering in service is because there's a fire in the building and the fire department's putting the fire out right now. And I was like, my car is in there. What do you mean there's a fire in the service department? My car is in the fire. We'll see.
We'll see.
I don't know. Maybe it burnt to the ground. Maybe it started the fire.
Maybe.
I still say you should buy one.
I don't know.
4 cents a mile.
4 cents a mile.
And it would outrun this car all day long.
Outrun? What do you mean outrun?
It's faster. Pedal to the metal, man.
No. I already beat a Mustang in this car. Some old guy. I did. It wasn't a new Mustang, but I beat him. He pulled up next to me on the highway and hit it, and so I hit it like that.
Well, this is, what is this, 280 horsepower?
You told me 518 or something, right?
I lied. No, it's 518. It is. It's 518.
Okay. All right. Well, where are we? We're here at Copart, right?
Copart.
What are we doing at Copart?
I don't know what you're doing. You're giving me a ride.
Oh, you're not going to come in?
I need to be picked up in about 3 hours. If that works, so you can go run around and
yeah,
get you some Starbucks.
Get me some Starbucks.
Yeah, we're doing a Copart walk around.
Should I go to the BMW place and look for an i3?
I actually need to go to the BMW place and make them give me a car. Somebody's giving me a car today. I have no car, and I'm not riding my motorcycle.
Okay. All right, but we're going to do some walk-arounds, right? Right? That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
Because people like it when we do walk-arounds.
They do.
Okay, so let's go do a walk-around.
All right, let's do it.
How's your Starbucks? You getting all the sugar that you need there?
It's going to make me sick as a dog here in about 30 minutes.
Yeah, that's going to be a great day. Yeah, we're going to
Porta potty.
Okay, we've made it to one of the... We went to the wrong yard.
Well, you
but
did.
You said...
I'm not driving.
I went to the wrong yard.
I didn't tell you, in all fairness. I forget. It's a day. It's been a day.
This is where the S63 used to live, right?
Yeah, it was right over there. Right over yonder.
Yeah? So she's kind of come back home.
Yep. So it looks like it's where it belongs, really.
Ooh. Hey.
Look at that dent.
Hey, I know. I still got to get that fixed. I'm going to try it myself first, then when I screw up.
No. You're not going to do a PDR yourself.
We're going to try. I'll give it 2 pulls. I'll get mad and then I'll quit.
Did you order the kit?
That's it. Oh, I had the kit. I've tried it before.
Success?
I've tried it before. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay.
Pretty good for me.
Hey, let me know when that video comes out. I want to watch that.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, yeah. Let's go have some fun here at Copart.
Yeah, the next car I'm going to be looking at is a 1983 Ford Ranger.
Oh, we're going upscale.
It's been bubbified.
Okay. So this doesn't quite compete with Los Angeles.
Well, we have a Civic with orange wheels there.
That would go well.
That,
yeah.
Yeah, you know, when I walked around Los Angeles, it was nothing but Mercedes, BMWs, Teslas. It was all high-end stuff.
How boring.
Out here, it's Infiniti, Fiat, Hyundai. There's a Lexus.
There you go.
There's a Dodge. It's a nice looking Dodge. Looks like the one from Twister almost. Nissan, Sentra, Altimas, Fords. We have nothing.
All the good ones.
Nothing here.
Nissan pickup. Okay.
Yeah. But somewhere up this way is a gem of a Ford Ranger. You're going to love this. It blows any Lamborghini or Ferrari
Really?
out of the water. 100%. This is
We're talking
totally custom.
pickup truck.
Custom though. This is customized.
Okay. I'm getting really worried.
Bubba himself couldn't have done better than this. I guarantee. That's money right there. I don't care who you are.
Yeah. Okay.
You'll see it.
We'll see what's been Bubbified.
It's, there she is. You see it yet? Keep looking.
I see part of a bumper.
Over here.
Oh no, I see it.
Oh, you know it when you see it.
Oh, the lady in red.
That's mine.
Look at that.
That is mine. That's screaming my name. Randy. It sounds like my fiance.
It does.
Randy.
Look how fancy he's got his name on the back of his jacket there.
That's in case somebody don't know who I am. They know when they read my jacket.
Who doesn't know you? Look at this.
That's what I'm saying. Who doesn't know me?
Look at this.
Hey, there is the flywheel.
Yeah.
The clutch, pressure plate. It's all right here in the back. Easy access.
Easy access to the cab too.
Somebody cut the cab out. They cut the wall out, and they cut. Oh my!
Why would you do that?
Why would you do that?
And then they put metal in between the two to hold it together, the cab and the bed.
Dude, this
with
is so mine.
little rivets,
This is so mine.
and then plywood to cover.
This is mine. What do you think? It's got an engine?
Well, you know what's scary? Embry Aeronautical University, somebody very, very smart drove this truck.
Purdue.
Don't.
That was in the 80s. Somebody very smart owned this truck when they were going to college for this in the 80s. This happened from somebody down the road. I guarantee. This wasn't this guy.
Oh my gosh.
Bio. It's listed as a biohazard.
That means good stuff inside. Okay. All right. Well, Randy's going to do his video, and we're just going to sit back and enjoy this. We're going to enjoy the view.
This makes Swamp Vet look like a cakewalk.
Yeah.
This is real. This is stuck. This is trees stuck to the body. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
You're not just giving this a bath. You're sanding. You got to sand that off of it.
Love it.
I think it'll run.
You got your battery thing.
Yeah, we'll start it up.
Okay. Let's get the first reaction. We just popped the hood. And look.
Okay. Look how Bubba this is. Look at that.
Wow.
With a custom
covering
bottle cap.
The coil with the cap. Look at that. That's cool. And this is always a good sign.
Oh, damn.
I have a car that has one of these just hanging out.
Huh.
It won't start either.
I think this went to this. What do you think?
Oh,
maybe.
good. Probably.
To the siren. This had an alarm.
Well,
this had an alarm.
You want to save something like this.
Timing belt motor, 2.3 liter.
Here, you want me to hold that? Okay. There, I got it.
The tranny is installed, so I have to assume it has a clutch in it.
Okay.
Has a new starter too.
I think he really likes this.
I think it'll run.
I think he really likes this.
I do. I think it'll
Okay.
run. Let's find where's it? It's always important. Oh, shit.
What is it, solid?
That's snot.
Ooh.
That is snot.
Ooh.
I'm going to guess head gasket issue. Or it could just be condensation from sitting. Lots of turds.
It could be, yeah.
Lots of turds.
Well, it's a little head gasket.
Yeah, it's no big deal.
It's always a good sign when dust comes out after you open the radiator cap. Okay. And why is there a light switch box holding the air filter?
If you hadn't pointed that out, I would have thought that. That's legit, man. This is perfect for my channel.
Yeah.
You know what? Will it run?
That's the question.
So I can't start it on video. I can't even try. We can do it off video.
Okay.
But we can't do it on video because if it starts and it actually runs, then there's nothing for me to show my viewers. It won't be exciting. They'll be like, yeah, it ran. I saw it in the walker up.
Well, you know what? It may not. Look at your spark plug wires.
Oh.
It'll run on two.
Doggone it.
He's so disappointed.
Well, you done spoiled it. Now I didn't even know it wouldn't run. I was going to try it off camera to see what happened. Now we know it ain't going to start.
It could run on two. Not well. Okay, I'm going to stop filming and you're going to start your video now. He's going to love this.
Oh, yeah.
He's going to love this.
I got to pretend like watch your wires there. I got to pretend like we didn't just do this on
Yeah.
my video.
This is where the actor comes
This
out.
is where the actor, I know a lot of
Yeah.
you are going to be really surprised, but not everything you see on
Yeah.
TV is real, especially on YouTube. So when you watch my video,
Especially on his stuff.
when you watch my video, you're going to see me, oh, look at the light switch. Look at the, whoa. Yeah.
He's going to steal it all from
It's
me.
entertaining for entertainment,
Okay.
guys.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Action.
You got to do that.
Oh, the TikTok thing. Boom, 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 boom.
I
Okay.
don't see any lights in here. Nothing.
All right. This is the moment
look
we've
at
been
the play
waiting
of the
for. Here he
steering.
goes. Yeah. This is Randy's favorite part.
Oh, yeah, this is my favorite part.
He loves it.
Oh, we got lights. Look at this plate.
Okay.
The wheels aren't moving, are they?
That's going to make it fun when you drive.
Oh, boy. Oh,
Okay.
that clutch. Strong.
Yeah?
The shifter feels good, too.
He's talking himself into it.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Sounds like a locked up motor.
It's trying, but it's not.
Are the fog lights on?
No. Try headlights. Headlights work.
Lights work.
Both of them. And your front turn signals. Well, one of the fog lights just came on.
They did?
Yeah, the one pointed off a ways.
Okay. I'm going to say...
Yeah.
Yep, she's done.
Doggone it.
She's done.
I was hoping there was life left in her.
I was too, because if she would have just cranked, and you can hear it's cranking strong. It's strong.
Yeah.
It's like, or not cranking strong, but it's clicking.
Yeah,
strong.
well, this thing's even trying to move. I mean, the belts are trying to turn it.
Yeah.
It's going like that.
The
So.
engine's frozen.
Oh, well.
We'll see what the price goes for, man. If it stays around 300, I might consider it. Probably not. But if you guys want to see this on the channel, hit that thumbs up button right now and let me know that you want to see this, and I'll consider bringing it to the channel and then quickly getting rid of it.
All right, that's how it's done. A big thanks to Randy. Randy, right? Can I call you John since I call John Randy? Larry,
You really did
Eric,
about slip
Mo.
up, didn't you?
Kind of.
You really did.
Maybe. I'm the worst at names. I am horrible at names. But anyway,
You're walking home.
it's my car.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
That I bought from you. Yeah.
Oops.
Okay. So I don't do walk-around, so I'm very glad Randy lets me kind of tag along for this one. We showed you one car, and we had a lot of fun. So thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. We'll have a link to his stuff
Wow,
down
man.
below.
Look at all the cars here. One
I know,
car.
but
One car.
yeah, but we got a 9-minute intro
Oh, yeah.
of us sitting in the car just having,
Oh,
you
so
know.
you're going to do another video, right?
Am I?
Are you?
I don't know if I can.
Sure you can.
Oh, we'll see. Okay, maybe there will be another video.
It'll be all
maybe not.
AT&T trucks.
Oh,
you
how
can walk around
fun
all
would that
the
be?
AT&T trucks over there and show them all off.
I love that idea. Okay, we'll do that. AT&T is coming up next. Bye, everybody.